Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how can we convert a Word file to PDF file just in few seconds. It is too much easy. Before starting this video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification so that you can receive my future videos on time. Now we are going to open this file. It is Cambridge Primary Checkpoint English paper. Now I am opening this file in Microsoft Word. It has total 12 pages. As you can see, it has total 12 pages and now it is editable form. Now I am going to convert it into PDF file. I will perform some simple steps. You have to click on here file, then go to save as and choose your destination where you want to save. Now click here and choose PDF. As you will choose PDF and then click on save. As you will save, it will take just few seconds and will convert it into PDF format and will open in PDF form or any PDF software which is available in your PC. I have PDF element. As you can see, this file is converted into PDF file. Now I am going to open it and it is opened in PDF element which is offered by Wondershare. Here you can see it is totally converted into PDF file. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification, and if you have any question then you can comment below this video. I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.